when you run a computer program, sometimes it throws an error on the screen. For example, if we run some program, let's say this Python program, and I press enter, you'll see it throws some error and it tells you line numbers. Now, with Vim, you can jump directly to a line number. And it's quite easy to do so. You simply type Vim and then the plus symbol, the line you want to jump to, for example, line 6. And then we type program.py or whatever your file name is, press enter, and it jumps directly to the line number. Now, it might not show line numbers here on the side, but you can easily turn them on. If you press escape, colon, set, and U, so numbers and U, press enter, and you'll see it jumped to line 6. We are on line 6 right now. To turn them line numbers off, if they are annoying, you can press escape, colon, set, and U, exclamation mark, and the line numbers disappear again. Now this works for any line number. For example, if you want to jump to line 9, you see here line 9 instead of 6, you could jump to line 9 directly. Now, of course, you can also jump line number inside Vim. For example, let's say we turn on line numbers and we jump to line 6, 6G, and it jumps directly there, or 9G, jumps to line 9. But even when you're in the terminal, so let's say you are in the terminal, you can already jump to a line number of the program. So you are directly in the program on that line number because we add it right here. And of course, in the program itself, we can jump line numbers too. For example, 2G jumps to the second line, or 5G jumps to the 5th line. So with Vim, you can easily jump in the file to a certain line number. But even when you're not inside Vim yet, when you're still in the Bash console, you can also jump to a specific line number.